Okay, so this morning I turned on Mr. Buddy, my little heater here. It started making a whistling and a gurgling sound, and I thought it was this fan. So I took it off and it kept right on going. So I did a little bit of research on it, and it said to take all this off, take a Q-tip with some alcohol, run inside this tube right here, clean all the dirt and oils and stuff out of the pilot light tube. I don't see anything in there. So got that cleaned out. Put a little bit of air in there to get her cleaned up. I'm gonna put her back together. We'll find out. That noise is super annoying. So hopefully I got this. Hey, subscribe, and I'll do another video after I get it all put back together, and we'll fire it up and see what it did. All right, you guys have a good day.